Today we're looking at the 2011 Dodge Journey SXT. This one is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Heading on inside, you'll find our black cloth interior with our power adjustable front seat. If we move further in, you'll see we do have our leather steering wheel, as well as our infotainment system with built-in Bluetooth, as well as aux capabilities. Down here, you'll find some storage, and of course, our climate controls. Further down, you'll find cubbies for extra storage, 2 cup holders, our shifter, and of course, more storage here in the middle console, along with our aux output and our USB charge port. If we take a look at the driver's side door, you'll see we do have our automatic power of windows, as well as our power locks and our adjustable side mirror settings. You'll also find our automatic high beams. And if you move over to the steering wheel, you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as our voice recognition and our audio settings here. This vehicle is a push to start ignition with keyless entry. And of course, we have our controls for our power sunroof up top. Making our way to the back, we still have our cloth black interior. If you make our way further down, you'll see we do have our USB outlets here at the bottom. Behind the front driver's seat, we do have these cubby for extra storage. We have 3 seats here in the middle that do come with a cup holder. If we look up, you'll find our climate controls for the back. And of course, these seats are retractable, as this does fit more people. Let's push this lever down here. And we also have 2 more seats in the further back. Also comes with a cup holder on each side. Taking a quick look at the exterior here on our Journey, we of course have our 17-inch rims on our tires there, our adjustable side mirrors, keyless entry on the front passenger and driver door. Up top you'll find our black roof rails, as well as tint in the back windows. If we make our way to the back of the vehicle here, we pop the trunk. You'll see this is the storage in the trunk. Like I mentioned earlier, these seats are retractable. Lift up the lever here and just push down, and that'll give you much more trunk space. And if you want to look further in, we also have more space in here. And that is our 2011 Dodge Journey SXT. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.